Understanding, turn green with envy. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson where we will explore a very colorful expression in the English language, turn green with envy. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, read in books, or seen in your English studies. But what does it really mean, and where does it come from? Let's dive into this fascinating expression together and unlock its secrets. The phrase, turn green with envy, is used to describe someone who is very jealous or envious to the point where it is almost visible. But no one actually turns green when they feel this way. So, why do we use such an expression? It's all about creating a vivid picture of how intense these feelings can be. Jealousy is a powerful emotion, and this phrase effectively captures its intensity in a very visual and imaginative way. Believe it or not, the association of the color green with envy has a long history, dating back thousands of years. Ancient cultures believed that jealousy caused an excess of bile, which turned human skin slightly green. Over time, this belief transformed into a popular saying. In literature, William Shakespeare often used the color green to symbolize jealousy in his works, which helped cement the connection between green and envy in the English language. When you say someone has turned green with envy, you're using a metaphor to express the intensity of their jealousy. It's a phrase best used in informal settings or creative writing. For example, when Maria saw her friend's brand new car, she turned green with envy. He could hardly hide his feelings. He was turning green with envy over her success. Using this phrase adds a layer of color and emotion to your speech or writing, making your message more relatable and vivid. Turn green with envy is more than just a saying. It's a window into the human condition, expressing deep feelings of jealousy and desire. Like many expressions in the English language, it's a testament to our capacity to use imagination and history to convey our emotions. I hope this video has not only helped you understand the meaning behind the phrase but also inspired you to appreciate the beauty and depth of English expressions. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to our next English adventure together.